Hey everyone, this is Lala Reddy from Abstract Music Lab, and today I'm back here in the sound design channel. Today we're creating a lead called OZ, and it sounds like this in isolation. This is really cool before the drop, so if you want to listen in context. Really cool sound, right? And if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below in the Melodic Techno Academy Volume 2 that you can find at Production Music Live's website. But now let's get started with this tutorial and let's get started with this preset. We're going to start by initializing the preset, and it sounds like this. 7 voices of unison. And that's it. Oscillator B. So oscillator B, we're going to choose a DS, saw, and try. 16 voices of unison. Last detune. A bit louder. Also, we're going to select the noise. Somewhere like this. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go into the envelope one. We're going to pick the attack and put it a bit up. That's pretty much it. You're just going to pick this handle, put it a little bit up. And now release a little bit up as well. Also a little bit up over here, just a tiny bit to match this one. Now filter, we're going to select A, B, and the noise. And we're going to put the cutoff all the way down, so we're going to barely listen to anything. So let's modulate it. LFO1. But instead of off, we're going to select as envelope. 1/8. Now we're going to pick this handle, put it all the way up, and we're going to pick this handle and put it a little bit up. Perfect. Now we also have to pick the drive and put it a bit down. Up. And that's pretty much it. Now we're going to go into the effects section, and in the effects section, we're going to start by using distortion. We're going to select the diode distortion. And this crunches up the sound a lot, so we're going to pick the mix and put it a bit down. EQ, we're going to start by choosing a bell and a high shelf. And in the high shelf, we're not going to do anything with the frequency, and the Q, we're going to just pick the gain and put it a bit up. Now, the gain of the bell is going to go a little bit up as well. And a little bit wider as well. But not in this frequency. We're going to put it somewhere over here. And that's pretty much it. Now, delay, we're not going to do anything to the feed, to the timing as well. We're just going to change over here the frequency. And pick the Q a little bit down. This way, so we don't delay the low frequencies. And the wet is going to remain as it is, and that's pretty much it. Lastly, reverb. The wet is going to go up. And low cut a little bit up so we don't reverb the low end as well. Now, in context. Really cool sound, right? And if you liked it, you can get it over here in the description below. This is Lala Reddy from Abstract Music Lab signing off. Ciao.
Hi, this video is sponsored by us. If you like these tutorials and want to support the channel, please check out our website packed with online courses and professional sample packs. Also check our ready-to-use and club-tested Serum presets. You can browse by the genre and style you're looking for, or get the incredible deal with the full Serum preset bundle. Thank you for listening, and now let's get back to your tutorial.